This is the ShowCharm Ion Flow Brush Dryer. It's been developed with the health and beauty of your hair in mind. This unique brush dryer helps you to dry your hair straight, tames frizz and adds volume, leaving your hair soft and shiny. The unique 3D wind outlet design makes blow drying easier and more efficient. The built-in comb means you don't have to hold a separate brush and dryer at the same time, leaving your hands free for precision styling. The special ionic function seals hydration into the hair cuticles while damp, and all excess moisture simply evaporates away through the hair ventilation holes. To get started, towel dry your hair to remove any excess water. And gently brush through. Plug in your ShowCharm dryer brush and adjust to your desired temperature and wind speed settings. You can choose from 30 to 80 degrees heat and choose between 3 different speed settings: fast, medium and slow. Brush slowly to dry your hair from root to tip, starting at the scalp and gliding smoothly towards the ends. For an extra straight and sleek finish, separate your hair into sections and dry thoroughly. ShowCharm's advanced heat technology will ensure your hair doesn't burn or dry out, resulting in less heat damage. And the ionic generator will help restore the moisture balance of your hair and smooth any flyaways. Suitable for all hair types and lengths, and suitable for both men and women. This dryer brush removes tangles and loosens curls easily, leaving you with salon straight, soft, bouncy and beautiful hair for days. Enjoy the future of hair drying and styling today with the ShowCharm Ion Flow Brush Dryer.